A friend of ours out of Oklahoma City was nice enough to call my husband and tell him about this water. I did not want to ride to Kansas City. I didn't know anything about it, although we invested in a machine before we went. And on the way, I had arthritis pains so bad I was ready to get out of the car. I was hurting. I took pain medicine, didn't do any good. When we left the meeting in Kansas City, we started drinking a little bit of the water on the way home. But when we got home, our machine came in that Wednesday afterwards, and we just started drinking the water, 8.5. Within 2 weeks, I did not have arthritis. I didn't have the reflux, the burning after I ate. I have lost over 10 pounds in just a month, which I am really excited. And my mood is so much better. My husband said our house has come alive again. My children were ready to give me up for dead in September. And it's just the most amazing thing that I have ever seen. I just wish that more people that I love would see how much it has done for me.